I'm extremely proud of my work.
The people make all the difference.
Making great paint never gets old.
Leadership you can't find anywhere else.
Not just co-workers, my Rust-Oleum family.
Because we always make things better.
It's more than just a job.
Working here is fun and rewarding.
People that are like extended family.
Strength, persistence, and resilience are universal.
My coworkers are like my family.
People, friends, fun. Dream came true.
Rust-Oleum drives innovation at all levels.
Been my blessing for 42 years.
Keeping it real and doing more.
Passion and community, going beyond paint.
Taking your job seriously, but not yourself.
It's the people I work with.
Keeping our family employed for generations.
Because every employee deserves a smile.